guys, even though I didn't put the burble tune on, guys, the engine is in comfort, suspension in comfort. Well, engine is in efficient mode, suspension is in comfort, and steering is in sport, but it still has a loud factory burble, guys. And it's not even in, I have everything in M1, which is, you know, very, very mild. Everything in the mild setting, guys. And the factory burble is crazy after the downpipes. Yeah, but she definitely has crazy acceleration, guys. You know, the throttle is a lot. I mean, the throttle is so sensitive, guys. Even with the inefficient mode, it's crazy. Like, see, this is in efficient mode, and that's in efficient mode, guys. And literally, no jokes aside, all jokes aside, no cap. That was like half of a quarter of the throttle when I just left the line just then. So everything is a lot more efficient, guys. Like, everything moves a lot faster, power builds super fast, and you know, I don't really want to get on it too much, guys, because I'm still letting the oil temps warm up a little bit. But it's a totally different animal, you know. And I got all the windows down, guys, so you can hear it. And this is pretty much, this is boot mod stage 2 on the X6M, my apologies, on the BMW X6M with Catless downpipes here, guys. And like I said, it's in efficient engine, comfort suspension, and sport steering, because I hate the soft steering. And I haven't even done the muffler delete yet, guys. I'm going to Axum Race Fabrication to get the muffler delete done. And you talk about loud, like when I just pulled off just then, it was only, I say it was maybe right before half throttle then. But I'm gonna do some full throttle pulls as soon as she warm up, guys. I'm gonna do some full throttle pulls in efficient mode, and I'm gonna do I'm just gonna say M1, M2, because M1 is all the way docile, M2 is all the way radical. So I'm gonna do pulls in both of those, guys, and then I want you guys to see how they sound. So I'm gonna get back with you when I get the oil warmed up. Got her all the way warmed up. She in sport mode, and guys, she a straight beast. I know you can hear her. Watch these pulls, guys. Watch these pulls. And I didn't even get the burble tune, guys. I chose no on the burble. That's just factory burble, guys. Oh my God, this mother, ooh, she violent. She is violent. She is beyond violent. Guys, this car is maybe the most violent car I ever driven. And I had some fast cars, but with this 4-wheel drive, guys, she is violent. This is crazy, guys. But yeah, this is what I'm doing, guys. Just giving you the my first impressions of the boot mod stage 2 on the X6M, guys. And it's loud, obnoxious, and unapologetic, guys. That's about the only way I can describe this car is loud, obnoxious, and unapologetic, guys. I mean, it's like literally ridiculous, guys. I'm gonna do another pull here, guys. Oh my God, that is wicked. wicked fast. Wicked fast, guys. Super wicked fast. Like the RPMs reach, I mean the RPMs shoot up like pretty much instantly, guys. It's borderline ridiculous. It's borderline ridiculous, guys. And like traffic isn't too bad today, you know, so it's not too hot. So I don't mind doing a review with the windows down, you know. Hopefully you guys can hear that exhaust, man. That exhaust is crazy loud, guys. But I'm gonna also have someone record while I'm revving the exhaust on the inside so you guys can hear how the exhaust sounds with the Catless downpipes, guys. But this thing is night and day, literally.
That thing's a beast. You ain't gonna whoop that. You're gonna get embarrassed. That X6M, that thing's a beast. You hear that exhaust? That's those downpipes. Here it is. That thing's flying. It ain't a joke.
I'm gonna turn the AC off, and I'm gonna also turn on the sports gauges for you guys. And as you can see, the sport gauges now are 800 horsepower, 800 foot-pounds of torque with the tune. And I'm gonna do a pull and efficient engine, comfort, suspension, and sport steering, because I hate this the loose steering wheel. So this is gonna be the first pull, guys, and it's not gonna be in sport plus anything, but the next pull will be. So I'm gonna pull up here a little bit, guys, and get this pull in. And I'm gonna do this pull here from a dig, guys. You know, I'm not gonna use launch control or anything like that. I'm just gonna do it from a regular dig, so you guys can get the impressions of what a regular dig in the X6M Stage 2 boot mod looks like. Okay, so I'm at a dead stop, guys. All the gauges are down, and I'm just gonna smash the gas. Keep an eye on the mile per hour and the tach. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the power is pretty much, I mean, it's crazy, guys. Oh man. And that's with the engine in efficient mode, guys. That is beyond ridiculous. That is beyond ridiculous, guys. This is the most violent car I've ever driven in my life. Literally. And I've had some fast BMWs, guys. Some quick BMWs, shall I say. And this is ridiculous, guys. I mean, and it's super responsive. Like, this is in efficient mode, and look at the power gauge and the torque gauge. I'm just gonna tap the gas. Like, look how responsive it is. It's crazy. It is crazy, guys. So I'm gonna turn around right here, and I'm gonna put it in. If you can see, check out that tach down at the bottom. I confirmed sport plus everything, guys. So I'm definitely going in the full sport plus now. And I'm gonna turn around right here. All right. It's someone in front of me, guys. So I'm just gonna pull up a little bit. And then I'm gonna start from here. From a dead stop. And this is in Sport Plus. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3. Whew, shit. Slow down. Oh man, this car is extremely violent. You talking about violent? This car is extremely violent. I mean, guys, don't take my word for it. Like, extremely violent is an understatement. Extremely violent is an understatement. This car is beyond extremely violent. Far beyond extremely violent, guys. And I'm gonna show you guys how responsive the tack and the RP, well, the power and the torque gauges are in Sport Plus. So now I'm gonna tap the gas. Look at the torque, guys. Look at the torque. Instant torque. Instant torque. Guys, this is ridiculous, guys. This is ridiculous. I know you guys have heard me say it 3 or 4 times in this video, guys, but this is the most violent, and I mean violent as in serial killer violent, as in, you know, wartime, war crime violent. That's the type of violent I'm talking about. War crime violent. This the type of violence this car, I mean, this is ridiculous, guys. This is absurdly violent. It's crazy. What's up, guys? Now, you guys can't tell me that that isn't a violent, super violent SUV, guys. This thing is extremely violent. And I haven't even done, I still have to do the 90-degree thermostat, you know, and the XHP tune, XHP flash for the transmission. I'm hearing guys getting a bunch more horsepower when that transmission is tuned, guys, you know, because the power has to go through the transmission to even get to the wheels. So when you release that torque, guys, that's more horsepower, more torque, and it's gonna be more insane, guys. So I'm definitely gonna put that XHP flash transmission tune on the X6M, and I'm gonna do the 90-degree thermostat, guys, because when the engine run cooler, it doesn't retard the timing as much, you know, because when the engine, it doesn't matter how tuned your car is, you know, it keeps the factory safety features and parameters. So when the car starts to run a little hot, guys, it dumbs the power down to prevent knock and a couple other things, and detonation, guys. So when I do those 2 things, I'm gonna do another driving impression video, guys, so you guys can see exactly how insane this car is, guys. And this car is seriously insane. Just doing a walk around for you guys that haven't seen the car. Any new guys who haven't seen it, I'm gonna do a quick walk around. Beautiful, quick, and fast, guys. Just like a woman, right? Beautiful, quick, and fast. This is going to be the end of this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos, guys. Hit that bell notification so as soon as I drop a power video, guys, you guys can see what's going on. Auto Lust out.